Minista wa maundu ma uthii wa nambere wa bururi wa Canada AHMED HUSSEN aracerete kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga kuria aratunganire na ikundi itiganite cia arimi aria makoretwo makihurwo njeki ni thirikari ya kaunti niguo kwiyaka kimuturire. Hindi ya icera riri HUSSEN atugiritie makinya maria matacukitio ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga hari kuhura njeki ikundi cia arimi aria ni MBEU NJITHI na ATUMIA kugera urimi wa kiriu.
The mission here was really to come here to see for myself the work that is being done right here in Kirinyaga County with the strong support by the Kirinyaga County government for modern agricultural techniques to be embraced by existing farmers, but also encouraging and really in a tangible manner supporting young people to embrace agriculture as a career option and as an option for economic development for the community and for their families, for themselves, and also disseminate those agricultural best practices from young people to the existing farmers.
AUGITE no ni njira njega ya guthondeka mieke ya mawira kuri MBEU NJITHI akiranira ati bururi wa Canada uri na mubango wa kunyita mbaru mubango uyu na kuheana uteithio.
Kirinyaga County, it's an example of a county that has really realized the real potential of agriculture to be an economic driver for the community, and for that it's the kind of economic development that we want to see, and it really also aligns very well with Canada's international assistance policy that focuses on women, that focuses on young people.
Munini wa gavana wa Shira Githanda uria urumagaritie HUSSEN augite ikundi cia arimi magana meri ni manyitithanitio na mubango wa kuza biashara kuria marahota kwionera mbeca.
Gavana witu nanyithanite na andu betagwo kuza biashara platform moka matrain ana kiacio na wana kiacio matrain farmers na tuna nguvu magana meri cia arimi aitu ara makinyira ikundi icio na ni kendo farmers ngirinya.
James Bogo ni muikari giti wa gikundi gia kiruya mwihotori na igite thirikari ya kaunti ni mahotithitie kuhimbiria urimi wa kiriu na riu mararima nyanya thiini wa urimi wa greenhouse.
Nitukoretwo tukirima icio nyanya na njira njega na ni tuteithitie tondu greenhouse tunacio na micie gwitu nitukoretwo kirima ona kuthomithia arimi aria matukuviririe ni makoretwo makithoma kuvitukira ithuĩ.
We find that most of the time there are small business owners who are very new in business. They don't really know how to make informed decisions, and they don't know what to do to scale their business or who to approach to give them the necessary information.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, njitagwo Wainaina wa AKIARIA.